Winter is here and it's a perfect time to enjoy seasonal produce. One such gem of winter is fresh methi or fenugreek leaves, which are abundant during this time of the year. Today we are making methi parathas, a hearty and wholesome Indian flatbread packed with the earthy flavor of fenugreek and warming spices. This recipe is perfect for cozy breakfast, lunches, or even as a tea time snack. Let's start making this easy and wholesome flatbread. Start by plucking the fenugreek leaves from their stems and discard the stems. Then add water to a large bowl and mix in some salt. Soak the fenugreek leaves in the salty water for about 2 to 3 minutes. This will help reduce the bitterness of the leaves. After that, discard the water and rinse the leaves thoroughly 3-4 times to remove any dirt. Once done, drain the leaves well and finally chop them. Set them aside for later use. In a blender or mortar pestle, grind green chilies, ginger and garlic into a coarse paste. Set it aside. Now let's make the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the whole wheat flour, gram flour, cumin seeds, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, green chili ginger garlic paste, asafetida, salt, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix everything well to combine. Next, add carom seeds and the chopped fenugreek leaves. Mix again to combine all the ingredients. Gradually add water a little at a time and knead the mixture into soft dough. Once it's ready, cover the dough and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. After resting the dough, knead it once more, then divide it into 9 to 10 equal portions and roll each portion into a smooth ball. Flatten each ball slightly between your palms. Now dust the ball with the dry flour and roll it out into a 4-inch circle. Apply a little ghee or oil over the surface and sprinkle with a little dry flour and fold it into a semicircle. Brush the semicircle with more ghee or oil, sprinkle a little more flour, and fold it again to form a triangle. Dust the triangle with dry flour and roll it out to a 4 to 5 inch triangle, which is about 1/8 inch thick. Parathas are generally thicker than rotis, so keep that in mind. Heat a flat skillet or tawa over medium heat. Place the rolled paratha onto the hot skillet and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until brown spots appear on the bottom. Flip it over, drizzle a little oil or ghee on the cooked side, and flip it again. Apply oil or ghee to the other side and continue until both sides are golden brown and slightly crisp. Repeat with the remaining dough balls, and your delicious methi parathas are now ready to serve. Serve them hot with yogurt, pickle, or your favorite chutney and enjoy these flavorful methi parathas, perfect for any winter meal. They also pair beautifully with a cup of masala chai as a perfect tea time snack. Enjoy! Happy cooking! See you next time!